Two, three, go. Hi everyone, my name is Shikania Bimalingin from BSED 3-A1. So for today's video, I am here to discuss about the content-based instruction or CBI. Content-based instruction is integration of content learning language teaching aims. It is centered on the academic needs and interests of learners and crosses the barrier between the language and subject matter courses. Content-based instruction emphasizes a connection to real life, real-world skills. In content-based classes, students have more opportunities to use the content knowledge and expertise they bring to class. They activate their prior knowledge, which leads to increased learning and language and content material. CBI is an approach to language instruction that integrates the presentation of topics or tasks from subject matter classes. So, this is the examples of CBI. These are math, reading, science, history, and reading. So another examples are English and science, math and civics, English and history, science and math, and lastly is health and language. Other forms of integrative strategies. First is lecture discussion. It uses the three-pronged strategy, which includes careful organization of the course material, student interaction in lecture, and discussion section activities. Second, demonstration lecture method. After showing an actual thing that represents the subject matter, the teacher may now proceed to his or her lecture in order to provide students with an in-depth understanding of the procedure or process presented. And the third is film showing discussion. Uses films, tapes, slides, and televisions, and after that, the discussion will follow. Fourth is reporting discussion. After a student makes a report, the class can actively engage in an interesting discussion of the various ideas that the student shared with his classmate. The fifth is inductive or deductive technique. Teaching from the most specific to most complex subject matter and then letting the students derive their own specific understanding about the topic. Sixth is directive or transductive. Convergent thinking is emphasized in this strategy, which is highly structured in moving students from particular to particular. So, the benefits of this are first is help alleviate fragmentation of learning and isolated skills instruction. Second, train students to think and reason to a higher level or which is called critical thinking. Third is provide instruction in a more relevant and interesting to the students. So the educational implications, pre-service teachers are expected to demonstrate and practice the professional and ethical requirements of the teaching profession. Teachers are guided on how to modify, create, innovate, and integrate best classroom practices that match exactly to the learning styles and multiple intelligences the pupils or students have. Teachers must try to be sensitive in the interests, needs, and experiences of the students in the class that the learning episode is realistic and significant. The last one is in the K-12 basic education program, pre-service teachers will be exposed to various comprehensive and best classroom practices. So, we have the Lee Flaman study. The goals is integrative teaching is supposed to allow students to learn how to approach a problem as they might have to in the real world and getting them to consider a single issue from different angles. The methods is An integrated curriculum emphasizes projects rather than individual self sufficient lessons. Skills are the point of developing and implementing an integrative curriculum is faster, higher ordered thinking skills. Teacher evaluation is one of the primary values of integrative teaching is that it allows teachers to evaluate their students by means other than standardized teaching. School to work. One of the major strengths of the integrative curriculum approach is that it prepares students to think about struggle with a long-term project the way people in the workplace often have to think about their own project. That would be all. Thank you.